The essential understanding for this lesson is: good math thinkers look for things that repeat in a problem. They use what they learn from one problem to help them solve other problems. Previously, students learned to count objects by tens and ones. The objects were arranged in rows of 10 and a row of less than 10. This lesson uses students' knowledge of counting by tens and ones to count objects that are randomly arranged. This problem is key because it asks students how they can count a large group of randomly placed apples without counting them one at a time. Listen and look for students who count the apples by ones. While they may find the correct number of apples, they did not follow the prompt in the question without counting them one at a time. These students may have forgotten that previously they counted objects by tens and ones, or they may be unsure of how to apply this strategy when the apples are not arranged in rows. Remind students that an efficient way of counting a large group of objects is to make groups of 10. Then count the groups by tens and the leftover objects by ones. Have these students circle groups of 10 apples. To help them keep track of the apples in a group, have them count 10 apples, crossing off each apple as they count it. Then have them draw a ring around the group of 10. These students are now ready to count the groups of apples by tens and the leftover apples by ones. Listen and look for students who create groups of 10 by counting and circling groups of 10 apples. Then they count the groups by tens and the leftovers by ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. These students are using repeated reasoning as they group objects into tens to help them count quickly and efficiently. They have used what they learned from previous problems to solve this problem. Using what they learned from one problem to help solve other problems builds more efficient problem solvers.